Hi, this is Mark and Eva. We're here in our beautiful stateroom on the Crystal Serenity, and Mark's going to show you the benefits of having a cruise butler.
So, come into the closet, which is organized better than any closet we've ever had. And so that's why we want to take our butler, Lydia, home with us. As you can see, everything is lined up just wonderfully. And they do provide you with 2 different types of bathrobes as part of the room, and a bag, of course, and slippers. But all these drawers could be full of your clothing, and as you can see, everything is lined up for Eva with her blouses. Her skirts are down there, my pants and shirts, and they give you an umbrella, a shoehorn, a hair dryer, and a brush, and lots of room for your clothing.
And in addition, our wonderful butler Lydia wanted to know what our favorite snack foods are. So she came and wants us to feel comfortable here, so of course she set up chocolate chip cookies and pretzels and nuts and potato chips, and I love tea, so I've got a whole tea service here. And really makes you feel very welcome, very nice. And now that our suitcases are packed away, you can see our beautiful bedroom and the pretty couch and TV set, and of course the snack foods. So come with us, Eva and Mark, when we take you all over the US and the world to enjoy everything beautiful, wonderful, unique. In this case, why have a cruise butler? And we are definitely sold on having the cruise butler, and here's the plan for tomorrow. Cannot wait. Okay, enjoy.